Welcome to Offroad Diction. My name's Mike Dobbs, and we're going to do a walkthrough of our shop. So what we have here is our showroom. This is where we show product, show wheels, tires, lighting, bumpers. We have a lot more product than what we have here in the showroom. This is just to kind of give people something to put their hands on, check out. We have a lot of truck accessories, Jeep accessories, and Toyota accessories. Up right here is our sales staff. They're courteous, helpful, and they'll look up any part you need and anything you can think of. We're going into our inventory area. This is where everything comes in. We receive it, make sure the parts are here. Now, we don't open boxes until it's time to install, but we do our best to make sure everything is correct and here like it's supposed to be. As you can see, we have a lot of product. We always have a lot of jobs going on. Here's our alignment machine. We do all our alignments in-house. It is a laser machine, so it is very, very accurate. But this is where we do all our alignments. This is where we do our wheels and tires. It comes in, Katie here knocks them out. We do our own balancing, our own mount and balance, everything right here. Into our fab department, this is where we do all our... Hold on one sec. This is our fab department. This is where we do all our fab work. We build our roll cages, all our custom work, and we do some bolt-on in here, but the majority of the work in here is fab. As you can see right now, he's working on a frame for a super build we got going. We also work on diesels. This is Rob. He'll take you for the rest of the walk.
I'm Rob.
Okay.
You want me to start over with I'm Rob? Or no?
No, that was great. That was great.
Alright, so this, like Mike said, this is our fab shop where we do a little bit of all kinds of fab work. Got a CNC plasma table over here. Cut all kinds of different stuff out on that. The truss laying over there we cut out. Got our mill press we use for drill press. We can also do some other cool things with that. We've got a horizontal lathe. Mostly we use it for making aluminum control arms. Then we've got our 100-ton press brake over there that we bend everything up with. Then this is the main shop where all the bolt-on stuff happens. We got Lane over here working away on a gear job.
Hey, Lane. Hey.
Clark over here working on a couple of different gear jobs. One axle that the customer just brought us, and then a TJ. This one's getting ready to get an axle swap. It's got Dana 30, Dana 44 under it. We're gonna put Dana 44s under it, locked already. A little bit stronger so they can use it off-road. Am I supposed to be telling you all this?
Yeah.
Okay. International Scout getting an LS3 swap and all kinds of other goodies, new suspension. Alex is kind of heading all that up. He's kind of our guy for doing all wiring and engine swaps, all that kind of custom intricate stuff.
Customers bring stuff a lot of times. We'll end up dropping it off, waiting on parts, funding, and insurance. An assortment of things are sitting back here. It goes all the way along the side of the building, but these are the long-term projects that we've been waiting on parts or, once again, funding for. So appreciate you doing the walkthrough with us here at Offroad Addiction. We just wanted to show everybody a little bit about our shop.
Be sure to subscribe, like, I don't know where the button's at. Watch all of our content. We're putting out a lot of fun stuff, as well as producing some awesome work. So come see us.